Episode 19 of Sweetology Decorating Series, How to Create Tie-Dye Cookies. You'll begin with one color as a base. The consistency should be shown in the video. It shouldn't be too thick or too thin. Drizzle the second color on top of your base color. Use a tool such as a small spatula or toothpick. Firmly hold the bottom of your cookie and dip the top into the tie-dye royal icing. Let all of the excess royal icing drip down, and you can shake the cookie if you need to, and then gently flip the cookie up and lay them on a flat surface. Use a small tool to get rid of air bubbles if needed and let them dry. Repeat the process for as many cookies as you have.